viewers, welcome to another episode of Stay Awesome Van Life, the Campify episode. Learn all about it. Learn what a vantrepreneur is. That's right, a vantrepreneur, a person who rents out a van, like a landlord on wheels. Van life meetups are always a great way to learn more about van life. But we just did a Campify video.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
So my Campify is I do a bit of travelling overseas. Yeah. I just went for 3 months. Yeah. And I got a friend who rents her van out on Campify as well. So she said that she'll look after mine when I'm gone too. So it was just rented out for 3 months on Campify.
Oh, nice.
The hinges. Yeah, the high A's. Yeah.
It's a beautiful van.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. I can show you inside if you like. It's sort of done, I bought it for the purpose of Campify, to hire it out. Yeah. That's what I bought it for and designed it that way. So so it was a little bit like a holiday sort of.
Do you get busy with people wanting it?
It was booked out the whole time I was in Europe. Yeah.
What have I done this time? They freak me out. What have I done this time? They kick me out. I don't know what they want from me.
So we're off to the Van Life Community Australia meetup. Well, this is a bloody disaster. I've come down to go to the Van Life meetup and I've run right into the Gold Coast Marathon. So a few stragglers left in the marathon. You're listening to my son's original hit, Getaway. Enjoy. Links in the description. The song is about leaving boredom behind and finding something amazing somewhere else on your travels. Have a look at this guy running in his buddy jocks. Hey? He's a big mother. Huge. Good on him. Balloon man. What's going on here? What is this? Approaching where this guy's been living in this van for like months. Here a bit further. We're going to check up on him, see how he's going there. I can see he's got the big van in front of the van, so he's still there. Let's have a look. Let's go and pull over to the left. Maybe have a little film. He's still there. It's unreal. Yeah, so we'll walk up the track. This is where this guy's living, and he's been here for months, and he's got everything known to man here. It's absolutely incredible. He's even got a boat motor. He's got push bikes. He's got a motorbike. He's got 3 vans here, or a car and a couple of, and even a dog. Even got a dog here. It's absolutely incredible. Have a look at that. Have a look at that. That's his setup. That's the setup. Incredible. So he's been living here for a long time. And it's absolutely brilliant. Have a look at the solar setup, that panel setup. Have a look at it. Cheeky ass. Time to get back on track to the Van Life Community Australia meetup. Here we go, the gates are open. We're on the spit. Ready for the meetup. I'm here very early, but I don't really mind. I'm going to have a bit of a walk, something to eat, clean the van up, Yeah, it's a bit quiet today. It's a bit cool. That's why it's a bit cold. Go in further down here because last time that's what they did. They went up this end, they went up down the other end. I arrived early. The weather was quite chilly, a bit of a cold breeze, but the van lifers are on their way, and here they are. They are all arrived en masse. I met a lovely lady down there who was a vantrepreneur. Her name was Lina. Would you rent your van out? Lina's van is listed as Boho Camper on campify.com.au. Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Oh, welcome to Stay Awesome Van Life.
Oh, thank you. All right.
Yeah, and do you want to step up and we'll show you inside it? I'll just put this in.
It tells me how much power I've got. It's sitting at 100% right now.
Oh, beautiful. How many lithium batteries in there?
I've got one.
Oh, okay.
I think it's a 120.
120. That's still pretty good.
Yeah, it's never run out on me.
Yeah.
And I've been living in it for over a year now, so.
Oh, you've been actually living in it?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yes.
Oh, okay. That makes things a bit different.
About a few things inside. So it's
Yeah.
got Rocco fans. It's got a Max Air fan. It's got a full-size double bed with a memory foam mattress, which is really comfortable and nice. It's got all downlights in the ceiling.
Yeah.
It's completely insulated, and it's got all timber panelled roofing throughout.
Chest freezer in there.
Yep.
That's all. That's your usual camping fridge, stand upright.
Yep.
A lot easier to get see what you got. Yeah. So without being rude, how much did you pay?
45,000.
45. That's
Yeah.
pretty good.
Yeah, I was
Yeah,
pretty happy with
yeah.
it. There was a few. It was 55, and then they had a slight accident with it, so I got 10,000 off. So I was pretty happy about that. I bought it from a couple, from a young couple that were travelling part of Australia, and her father, I think it was, or his father, was a cabinet maker. So he helped them. I think it was a bit of a family project.
Oh no, it's really nice. You've done really well, and it'd be interesting to see how you go with your Campify.
Yeah, well, it's gone well. I just spent 3 months in Northern Europe, and while I was there, I had a friend who hires her van out also with Campify, Janie, and it was just only May, I think it went quiet, but the other 2 months it was fully booked all the time.
Oh, great.
So yeah, it's bringing in some income while I was overseas. It's really nice.
So just to repeat for the viewers, the name of your van.
Okay, so it's Boho Camper.
Boho Camper. So it's not called Boho the camper itself, or it's
just Boho Camper.
Boho Camper.
On Campify.com. I think it could be AU.
Yeah. I'll double check that, and I'll put the little thing at the bottom.
Thank you. And it's at it's Miami, Gold Coast.
So they pick it up from Miami.
Yeah, pick it up from Miami.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then return it back to
Miami.
Of course. Yeah.
Boomerang. Okay.
Yeah.
And with it, what's the fees for Campify?
What do I charge?
Yeah.
It does vary a little bit for the seasons.
Yeah.
So high season it would be around $130 a night.
Yeah.
Low season around $109 a night.
Gee, that's pretty good.
It's pretty good. It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
But there's
they're
a
getting
risk.
a real bargain there.
There's a risk too.
Everything's insured. Campify is a brilliant company, brilliant organisation. They provide all your insurance for you.
Oh, great.
So it's everything's
Insured. Okay.
Everything's to the books.
And do you have hot and cold water?
I don't. I only have cold water.
Cold water. Okay. Oh, beautiful. It's not much to put a hot water system in, but it's still another thing that people have got to look after with kit gloves.
With gas and stuff like
Oh, well,
that
you get 12 volt. I've got 12 volt.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can get,
A 12 volt hot water system.
Yeah, I've got it working now. It's like hot as.
Is it?
Yeah, I'll show you. It's, so that's
like
another way to go.
Instant one, or is it?
No, what I did, say I'm driving down here because I live in Brisbane.
Oh, yes.
Flick the switch, drive down.
Heard
and I've left it on since. It'll be
Stay
hot for a couple of days.
hours. Oh, a couple of days.
I can turn it off
Okay.
now and it'll still be hot. Yeah.
Or definitely hot enough for a shower. Isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, or for your
I've gone
washing
stupid though. I've got 4 showers in my van.
up. Oh, have you?
I did it for a bit of a comic relief, but anyway.
Okay. I'll have to check out your
Yeah,
YouTube channel.
yeah, I'll show you it. But I love your van. It's great.
Thank you.
And-
It's really perfect for me.
Yeah. So thanks for that.
It's okay. My
And
pleasure.
everyone knows now where to get a really cool camper that's really classy. It's like 5-star
Thank you.
on the Gold Coast, and you can head off and
Yeah.
make yourself some magic on the road.
Yeah, you can go down to Byron Bay and
Yep.
down to Coffs Harbour even, or
Yep.
across to Casino or out that way, Tamworth. Yeah.
Yeah.
Lots
Oh,
of places
brilliant.
to go.
Yeah.
To see.
Oh, well, thanks for the interview.
It's okay. Thank you.
Oh, great. Thanks for that. That was brilliant. And stay awesome. So what do you reckon of my van?
So thank you for showing me around your van. I love it. It's so you. It's very practical. I love the TV.
Yeah.
I love the size of the bed. It's just amazing. Yeah, but you've got lots of space for friends to come over as well with this big L-shaped lounge.
If I had any.
I'm sure you do. Yeah, so
Yeah.
and you've got like all the bits and pieces like the Max Air fan and the Sirocco fan
Yeah.
going on, and you've just got the best view out the back door.
Oh, that view come with the van. Oh, I'm glad you like it.
Yeah.
And you actually left a comment on my Stay Awesome,
I did.
Video.
Yes.
and that helped you?
It did definitely help me. Yeah. So thank you for doing that.
That's all right. What was the question again?
I think I asked about hiking in the Gold Coast area, if it's any good hiking places. And you suggested to go down to Yamba Way just
Yeah.
to camp up. Just try going down to Yamba,
Yeah.
which was really lovely down there. It's a really
Yeah.
lovely area, and I've been down there a few times. So yeah, thanks for that.
Oh, that's great. So guys, I've got Tim and Sandy here to join us now.
Hey, how you going?
How are you? Who's that little bloke that Tim's got in his hands?
This is Pablo.
Pablo.
She
Oh, Pablo's always got his tongue out. Oh, is it she? It's he, isn't it?
overbite, yeah.
It's
so
he, Pablo. Oh, yeah.
Just tongue just falls out.
Oh, gee.
Everyone's
Looks
like,
cute.
Oh, it was good timing. We take a photo with his stuff out. He has that all the time.
Oh, great, eh? So how you's been since you got married, and congratulations.
Yeah, really good. Went to
And you know what?
New Zealand.
I know, I watched you. And you know what? I got a wedding present for you. Oh, there's Tim. Where is he? There you go.
What is this?
I brought it down for you. There, happy.
Oh,
That's your wedding present from me. That's from Stay Awesome Van Life.
Ooh,
Thank you.
Have you ever seen them work?
what is it? How does
The
it
electric
work?
mosquito swatter.
Oh, it's absolutely brilliant. The fly comes in and it just absolutely fried on the spot.
Oh, my
Make sure we use it and mention it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so no, they're
In summer.
oh, you'll love it because I just get entertained some nights. I just watch it going, zzz, you know.
Hilarious.
Yeah, I can't believe for like 12 volts it does that.
Yeah, the
You know,
capacitor inside it.
it's amazing. You know. Yeah. So hey, it's a bit chilly today.
Freezing.
It is.
Shivering
I'm
this
about to
one.
put my hood up.
I put my diesel heater on. It didn't work. Yeah, it's behind you, but it's yeah. You're lucky because you'd be cooked alive if it was on. Hit the notification bell. There's so many more videos from this van life meetup to come.